So Ron, a vehicle can move the ACEA sequence, but are there ACEA lubricants that are multi-grade, as we'd call it, across different sequences?
Yeah, absolutely. And an example of that is a new engine oil that we've just recently launched onto the market called Castrol Edge 0W20 C5. And this product complies with ACEA C5 and ACEA C6 performance standards. And it's also interesting to note that ACEA C6 is actually a recently introduced specification launched by ACEA.
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, having multiple ACEA performance classifications is indeed possible with a single formulation. However, that's only possible when all relevant chemical limits and physical testing parameters are actually met.
Yeah.
Okay.
You mentioned a bit earlier on about the non-standardization of the automotive industry in regards to oil, requirements. And whilst that's impossible to do because you're working with so many parties, it sounds like you're coming to some form of a manufacturing support compromise by doing this.
Yeah, absolutely. It's important for us to provide the technologies and the products that are required to keep these cars on the road and to keep them going. So we have teams of R&D chemists that are constantly working and developing these products to ensure that we're providing the very best quality lubricants.
And I mean, that helps the end user, but it also, more importantly, helps the workshops who need to have that flexibility.
Yeah, definitely. We always try and help workshops to try and rationalise and minimise the amount of grades that they have because it's turning into a big challenge.
Like a cocktail bar.
Yeah, it is now. It is. And at times you see mechanics actually running down the street buying a 5 litre or 20 litre container.
You can't be doing that.
Exactly. Yeah, it causes waste and it's quite an expensive process. So we try and help and minimise that.